Alright, so welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about hydroponic systems and how I'm using 3D printing to start a herb garden and also to seed and sprout my aloe vera. So as you can see, we're using hydroponic cups, and what I've done is I went on Maker World and found some hydroponic cups. And I took some time with my digital caliper to size the inside of a bell jar to find the right millimeters, which I believe was about 66 millimeters for the bell jars. And through some trial and error, I was able to get the right sizing for it, but eventually was able to find a good fit with scaling for the models. I believe that it takes about 20 minutes to print out each cup. But once it's printed out, I suggest you use PETG as it's water resistant. But as you print it out, as you can see, the tip that I found from another YouTuber was to use a paper towel, a strip of a paper towel. You dip that into the hydroponic solution, which we have with some plant food here, and water. You use your Leica clay balls or clay pebbles, and then you can use your you put your seeds in place, and then you actually want to bag it with a Ziploc to keep the moisture in. And then you're going to want a source of light. In this case, we're using plant lights. And this has worked relatively well. As you can see, currently we have basil growing, as well as a few other herbs that we're planning to grow here. So yeah, as well as aloe vera. So I will let you know how this works. And as you can see, if we zoom in a little bit, you'll see that after the seeds sprout, you'll see that the roots are actually taking form and digging deeper into the paper towel, and they will eventually root into the bottom of the bell jar. But yes, I'm excited for more progress with the roots and the sprouts, and we'll let you know how the herb garden goes with my 3D printed hydroponic cups.